In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send documents to multiple people using DocuSign with a signing order. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you know exactly what to do at each stage. Let's start by heading over to DocuSign. Visit the official DocuSign website and log into your account. This is your first step into the world of digital signatures, a nifty way to streamline your document workflow. Once you're on the main dashboard, locate the Start button. Clicking this button is akin to opening the door to your digital document management, initiating the process of sending out documents for signature. Now, it's time to upload the documents you want signed. Look for the Upload option, which allows you to select and open the files from your computer. Once you have your document uploaded, you're one step closer to getting those all-important signatures. This process is quite intuitive with DocuSign, making it easy to manage your files efficiently. The next crucial step is to add the recipients. You'll enter the email addresses of the individuals who need to sign the document. Make sure that all the correct parties are added, as this stage ensures that everyone who needs to be in the loop receives the document. DocuSign is great at keeping things organized, and adding recipients is a straightforward process. Now that your recipients are added, it's crucial to set the signing order. By clicking on Set Signing Order, you can arrange the sequence in which each recipient will receive and sign the document. This feature is particularly useful when you have to collect signatures in a specific order, say for legal or formal business reasons. Simply drag and drop the contacts to arrange them in your desired order. Once you've set the signing order, double check that it matches your requirements. Satisfied with the arrangement? Great! Then it's time to click the Next button. This step will lead you to the review stage where you have one more chance to look over your document. Take a moment to review and edit your document if necessary. You can add fields for signatures, dates, or other details. Ensure everything is correctly placed and that no information is missing. This step is vital for catching any last-minute errors, making sure the document is perfect before it's sent out. Finally, when you're confident that everything is in order, click Send. And there you go. Your document is now on its way to each recipient, following the exact signing order you set. This digital route of managing signatures not only saves time, but also ensures all documents are in a safe and secure platform. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has demystified the process of using DocuSign to send documents with a specified signing order. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and get comfortable with the platform. Stay tuned for more helpful guides.